Hi everyone. So today's agenda is to learn how to load mass data into a custom metadata uh, using Visual Studio Code. Of course, the first option would be you could use a custom metadata loader that is available on GitHub. You can install that in your org and do it. But if you're not allowed to do that, then this is the other way you can use. So quickly, let's get at it. So this is my custom metadata. The name is country mapping. And the fields here are the standard label and name field that we have, and a country code, which is a custom field. Now let me go to the records and show you. So currently I just have a few records. Let me go into one of them. Let's say Australia, the code is, let's say 2. Now, let's say if I have 200, 300 records to be added in this custom metadata, you cannot do it through data loader. You cannot do it through Workbench, right? So what is the option? So that is what we are going to see. So how can you do that is use a Visual Studio Code. First of all, connect it to your source org. I've connected it to this org that right now I showed you where the metadata is in. What I do next is I go to the package.xml. For now, okay. In the package.xml, I'm writing custom metadata. You can either pull all of the custom metadata by using a star over here, or you can put the exact name of the custom metadata. I've put a star. Let me retrieve it. Okay. Now, since I've retrieved it, you will see that whichever metadata records that I had in my org are now present over here. Now, in order to add my like bulk records into metadata, what is the next step is I've created an Excel file. Okay, this is that Excel file. Now, what do I have in that file? Now, I'm really sorry that I cannot open this in Excel in my system because I'm facing some issue. So I'll open it with Notepad++ and show you what are the fields and what have I done. So I'm opening this file with Notepad++ and I have 2 fields in it. Now, what are these 2 fields? So this name is the standard name field that we have in the custom metadata. Although you can't see it here, but it's somehow there. So you can use the name field. Then I have country code. So country code is this field. Okay. I created this Excel like CSV file and I've saved it in my documents. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I have to run this command from my Visual Studio Code. Now, this command, you have sfdx initially. This is the next set of instructions that you're putting in that command. Then you have to put minus, like that's what we say, right? And file path, then space, and then the location of your file. So when I right click and do properties, this is the location of my file. Okay, so I copied this location and here I have it. Then again type name, space, and then the name of the metadata that you have in your org. So my metadata name is country mapping __ MDT. So that's what I've written here. So let's take this command. Now, first what I'll do is I'll click on terminal and open a new terminal. And Run this command. Now it will give you an error. I'll tell you why and what. Now it shows no such file or directory called objects country mapping underscore underscore MDT fields. Now, why is this happening? Because you also need to make sure that the custom metadata that you have here, right, is not enough. You need to have the custom metadata name inside objects too. So what are we supposed to do? What I did was, I'll add this over here. Now it's going to extract custom objects from my org and retrieve it. Now, instead of using star, like instead of getting all the custom objects, you could also mention the name of the custom metadata here and it will retrieve it too. So let's again retrieve source in manifest from org. Okay. Now you will see within object, this country mapping underscore underscore MDT got added. So this was the metadata and now we have that in form of object also. So whenever you do this step, make sure that you're adding custom object also and just check that whatever the custom metadata was, you have it inside the object. Only then it will work. Now again, I'll go here, copy the command this time. And hit enter. Okay. So it says created custom metadata type records from so and so field. So we had entered 3 records, if you remember. Let me show it to you. So we had entered country 1, country 2, country 3, right? So let's check that. Did we get it or no? So I'll expand the custom metadata. Here you see country 1, country 2, country 3. So it got retrieved from my file. Now all I need to do is deploy source to org. Okay, so it is done. Now let me go to the custom metadata type, refresh. And manage. So we see country 1, 2, and 3 added. Let's look into one of the record and yeah, the country code is added. So this was about it. If it helped, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.